In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files manually to cPanel Webhosting account in GoDaddy in 2026. We'll start inside your GoDaddy account. Head to the GoDaddy website and sign in so you can access your products. Once you're in, click your profile icon at the top and choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard where everything you own is grouped together, which makes navigating a lot easier. From here, look under Domains and click Manage All. This gives you a full view of your domains in one place. You can click DNS to open the DNS settings for the domain you'll be using. You don't need to change anything right now. It's just helpful to confirm you're looking at the right domain before you upload your site files. Next, scroll to the web hosting section, find the hosting plan tied to your site, and click Manage. On the hosting dashboard, select cPanel Admin. This opens your cPanel control panel where you'll manage files, databases, and other hosting tools. Inside cPanel, open File Manager. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually right near the top under the Files section. In File Manager, look to the left sidebar and open the public HTML folder. This is your web root for your primary domain, which means anything placed here is what the public will see when they visit your site. If you're replacing a placeholder page, that file is often named index.html. You can safely replace that with your own index file. Avoid deleting any server-generated folders or configuration files you don't recognize. Now let's upload. Click the upload button at the top. You can drag and drop your website files into the upload area or click select file to choose them from your computer. Wait for the progress to reach 100% to ensure every file is fully transferred before going back to the file manager. If you uploaded a single zip archive, right-click it in File Manager and choose Extract. When prompted, confirm the extraction path is public HTML so your site files land in the correct place. After extraction, make sure your index file and core folders sit directly inside public HTML and aren't buried in an extra subfolder. To verify everything worked, open a new browser tab and type your domain name. If your files are in the right spot, your site should load. If you don't see changes immediately, clear your cache or try a hard refresh. That's it. Your files are now live on your GoDaddy cPanel hosting.